Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on the website using your mobile device. First, open your mobile browser and navigate to the official Roblox website. Once there, you will need to log into your existing account or quickly create a new one if you are just starting out. It's important to make sure your phone or tablet meets the basic system requirements for the best experience, typically requiring at least 1 GB of RAM. Once you are logged in, finding games is super simple. You can use the search bar at the top to look for specific titles or explore the many categories available, like popular or top earning. When you find a game that looks interesting, just tap its icon to open its details page. Here, you can read the description, check out player ratings, and see reviews to help you choose your next adventure from hundreds of thousands of options. Ready to jump into the action? Simply tap the large green play button on the game's details page. Your browser might ask for permission to open the Roblox application. Make sure to allow this. Once the game loads, you will use the on-screen controls and touch gestures to move your character, interact with objects, and communicate with other players. It's designed to be very user-friendly for mobile devices. To ensure the best possible Roblox experience on your mobile device, here are a few helpful tips. Always try to play with a strong and stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, to avoid lag. Closing other apps running in the background can free up your device's resources, leading to smoother gameplay. Finally, explore the in-game settings to adjust graphics quality or controls to perfectly suit your preferences and device capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.